Chevrolet Caprice Classic Brougham. One family owned, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles just a little over 49,000 is all on this one. White exterior, blue interior. Go ahead and take a look at the front grille, chrome in the bumper. 305 V8 underneath the hood. Paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. So that's 3 months, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and you can reach us at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all the still pictures of this vehicle, underside, engine bay, interior. As you can see, wire wheel covers. Blue cloth interior, split bench seat. Of course, power steering, power brakes. AC. Technicians said they did have the AC compressor kick on and off. Does not blow cold though, and owner has decided to sell this one the way you see it. Of course, rear wheel drive. These cars go down the road very comfortably. We do consider trades here at Unique. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. Take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. Be able to see the inside of the trunk in the still pictures. Interior, like I said, engine bay underside. You can see partial vinyl top. And once again, take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. In those still pictures, you're going to notice I did point out a few places where there's some touch-up paint. The previous owner has touched some things up. Maybe got a scratch or a ding here or there. So some spots where there's a little bit of touch-up paint. And again, the same family has owned this vehicle since new. Take a look at the interior. This is one of those that has floor mats on the floor mats there on the carpeting. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures also. But yeah, not much wear showing in the rear seats at all. Power windows, power locks. This has dual power seats, driver's side and passenger side. What you'd expect for a car with this kind of miles on it. Not a lot of wear on the cloth. Seating areas, tilt column. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. We're going to check out that engine bay. There's your exact miles, 49,417. Again, clean Carfax confirms that. Same family owned. That's a fasten seatbelt warning. So otherwise no warning indicators as far as check engine light, anything like that. Of course, AM, FM. Power this up a second. AM, FM, cassette.
Discovery holds elsewhere. So,
with equalizer, it's in working order. Top of the dash. Appears this car was stored indoors. Sound stock. What you'd expect. 1990 Caprice Classic sound like. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. Nothing out of the ordinary. Again, 305 V8. Paired up with the automatic transmission with overdrive should be 4L60E. Alright, let me pause this 1 second. Slip up to the front. We'll pop this hood. Check out the engine bay. Wrap this video up. Get a look at the underside of the hood liner. There it is. Very stock looking engine bay also. So 305 V8. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Belt and everything's hooked up to the AC, may need to be charged again. Tech said it would kick on and off, did not blow cold. Battery disconnect down there. What you'd expect, 1990 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Brougham, 4-door sedan, clean Carfax, No accidents indicated, a little over 49,000 miles on it. It's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1990 Chevrolet Caprice. This is in white with an automatic on the column. Very smooth running vehicle. Very comfortable ride. You got the extra plush cloth seats in this car. Good acceleration. Our fuel is reading over half and volts are charging at about 14. Temperature is about a quarter of the gauge right now, still warming up. Got warrant on the radio. The radio is working good. Blower motor does also work good. Very smooth ride out of these cars. This one is no exception. Letting go of the wheel. Nice and straight. Stays straight in the lane. Great power steering, easy to turn. Power windows. It's a blue interior. Go around the corner here. Corners as you would expect. Great running Chevrolet Caprice.